In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in Clickup to streamline your workflow and enhance your task management. Whether you're navigating through your projects in a list, board, timeline, table, or workload view, understanding how to group tasks effectively is a game changer in maintaining clarity and organization. To begin, let's access the grouping options. Depending on the type of view you're using, this might look a little different. For list and table views, you'll want to click on the column header of the criteria you wish to group by. When you do this, a menu will appear, and you'll simply select Group or find a similar Group By option within the view settings. If you're using board, timeline, or workload views, you'll typically locate the Group or Group By option in the upper right corner of your screen. Sometimes, it might be tucked away within the customization settings of the view itself, so keep an eye out for it. Next, let's choose the grouping criteria that best suits our needs. ClickUp provides several common options such as status, assignee, priority, tags, due date, and task type. Each of these criteria can help sort your tasks in a way that best complements your workflow. Additionally, some views might offer more specific options based on the view type or any custom fields that you've set up. Exploring these additional options can provide a more tailored task organization to fit your team's unique processes. After selecting the grouping criteria, we can move on to customizing the grouping experience further. For instance, in certain views, you have the option to reverse the grouping order. If you want to see tasks in a different sequence, switching from ascending to descending or vice versa can sometimes offer helpful insights. Also, if you decide that grouping isn't benefiting your current workflow, you can effortlessly remove it by selecting Clear or an equivalent option. Furthermore, in specific view types, you might have the choice to enable or disable grouping by list, giving you the flexibility to either maintain task grouping within their respective lists or break them out for a broader overview. Once you've nailed down your grouping preferences and made any desired customizations, you can go ahead and apply the grouping. This will reorganize your tasks according to the selected criteria. What's great about this feature is that it's applied to the current view, and you even have the opportunity to save these settings as a custom view, ensuring quick access for future reference. For example, let's take a look at applying this in a list view. Open up a list view in ClickUp, click on the Group button or toggle Available, and select Status as your grouping option. Should you wish, reverse the grouping order to descending, organizing tasks from newest to oldest. Finally, once everything looks good, click Done to apply these changes. By mastering these grouping steps in ClickUp, you'll be able to navigate your tasks with greater ease, efficiency, and focus, creating a more organized and productive workspace for you and your team.